Today we are making something simple, bold, and packed with flavor. These octopus garlic sandwiches are perfect for gatherings, game nights, or a casual weekend lunch. Tender octopus sautéed in olive oil, tucked into a warm bread with creamy garlic mayo. Let's get cooking. Octopus garlic sandwiches. 2 small octopus, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, olive oil, 1 deciliter of garlic mayonnaise, 8 small bread rolls. In a pot, cook the octopus in water and 1 onion for 1 hour. Let it cool in the pot for another hour. Cut the octopus tentacles into 8 equal pieces. Finely mash the 2 garlic cloves into a smooth paste. Mix the mashed garlic into the mayonnaise until fully combined. Heat a sauté pan over medium heat and drizzle in olive oil. Sauté the octopus pieces for a few minutes until lightly golden and heated through. Slice the bread rolls open. Place 1 piece of octopus inside each roll. Add a generous spoonful of garlic mayonnaise on top of each one. Serve immediately while warm. And there you have it. Simple, bold, and absolutely delicious. These octopus garlic sandwiches are perfect for sharing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! For a smoother garlic flavor, add a pinch of salt while mashing the garlic. Don't overcook, the octopus is already cooked, so just heat and lightly caramelize. Lightly toast the bread for extra texture and flavor.